We are at the Jim Scott Community Center in Fairfax, and today we are in the process of facilitating a poverty simulation for youth in the county as part of a community engagement effort. We're doing this to teach our young children and our young adults about the impact that poverty has in the Fairfax County area, with the hopes that we'll broaden their understanding of what it's like to actually live in poverty through this simulation experience.
There are over 62,000 people in Fairfax County living in poverty, and 14,000 of them are under the age of 18. So this isn't a game, it's really a simulation so that the students can understand how families do live in poverty in Fairfax County. They're actually going to learn about how to budget, how they can live off of a certain amount of money.
Yeah, what would you do to prepare yourself for the interview?
There's going to be students who will play the parent and understand how much of a struggle it can be to raise a child and how much it costs, and learning how to reach out for resources.
So we have like a family profile set up. I'm the father of my family, and I take care of my wife, my daughter, and my mother-in-law. I go to work, and right now I was actually supposed to be paying bills for the mortgage, but I don't have enough money, so I have to figure something out. I think it's going to prepare me for like crucial situations. Sometimes you're not prepared for like the things life can throw at you. Yeah, I think it's a very good experience as a teenager, especially to like acclimate life, get a job. I have a job, and I think even some stuff I've just done in like the first 20 minutes is helping me already like understand a little bit more the significance of having a job and being prepared for life.
I hope that they will understand and have more empathy for families that are struggling, and that they will work hard in school and hopefully do well in life, and hopefully help people in their communities in the future. So I think they'll take away a lot from this.
Find out more by going to our website, Neighborhood and Community Services, about the Missouri Poverty Simulation. Thank you.